Yeah guys, yeah, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to claim and check your Twitch drops reward and your campaign. So I'm going to show you what it means. So when you open this not on your Twitch account. So when you open your Twitch account, you want to see
Because
your
I seen him do
campaign, your
some cool
drop,
ass camera shit. I was like,
your
oh,
rewards.
on
How
his
do you get it? So
stream.
what you need to do is come to
Because
your profile. If you come to your profile, you're going to see drop here. Click on drop. If you click on drop, you can see presently now there's no any drop on my profile. What I need to do is go to all campaign. So this one, once you do any of this campaign, it's automatically going to generate drop for you. So let me click on one and let's see what's going to happen. Just click on this. Once you click on this, you can see partner. You can see we have 14 partner drops here and we have 50 weekly drops. Just click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to take you here, and these are the rewards. So now they say you have to participate to hand the drop. You have to participate in live channel, watch 2 hours and claim the reward TA. And you can see this is how you do this. This is how you get it. So once you are done and you want to claim this and you want to do everything, just click on connect game account. So you'll be able to claim this one, claim this one, and claim this one. You can see these are all the things that you need to claim it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.